Today, everything's run on IT, from customer communications and invoicing to industry-specific software. In fact, 80% of IT outages are caused by inadequate maintenance or poor configuration. Anticipating these issues not only prevent losses, but it also brings peace of mind. Without proper maintenance, multiple risks arise. Hardware failures that aren't detected on time, loss of critical data, unpatched security vulnerabilities, and most importantly, operational downtime, which directly impacts productivity and revenue. For a small or medium-sized business, every hour downtime costs on average €10,000. Beyond financial toll, a company's reputation is also at stake if customers cannot be served. At XEFI, we offer an all-inclusive IT maintenance services, covering parts, labor, and travel expenses. The service is provided on a fixed monthly payment basis, with no hidden fees. This way, our clients get the full service they need, while still having a clear view on their IT expenses. Whenever a problem occurs, a certified technician responds immediately. We ensure that any critical issue is handled within 4 hours. Moreover, we take it a step further with preventive maintenance, real-time monitoring of your equipment, regular system updates, ongoing security and performance checks. With offices close to our clients, XEFI ensures quick response time and on-hand support whenever issues arise. Our technicians are certified experts who understand the specific needs and challenges of small and mid-sized businesses. They respond quickly, whether remotely or on-site, and deliver a complete end-to-end service.